Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 6 stepwise thinking. So, in this chapter, we will study about stepwise thinking, reasoning, problem solving, case studies. So, basically, this stepwise thinking is related to the our real life problems also. So, sometimes it is like that. Suppose you want to do anything. Anything means like suppose you are planning to have organized party, okay, your birthday party. So, what you will do at the time? So first of all you have to plan it. So how you will plan? You will have to start with that, like how many friends you want to invite, what are the menu will be there, at which time you will call them, okay. To you will select the place where you want to celebrate, okay. What are the items will be there, means your food items, okay. So which song you will play, so everything means you are thinking for your particular party, for your birthday party. If you're organizing, you have to think that. So that is called the stepwise thinking, means you are stepwise, you are thinking one by one every things you are thinking about, the like foods, for the lightings, for the sitting, for your friend list. So everything you are thinking in a order. So that is the stepwise you have to think, means you have to analyze the things before doing anything. You have to be you have to think, because then if you want to perform, you want the good result, okay. Means your function should be the nice one, or your any programs or anything, whatever you have, any work you want to accomplish, you want to complete that one. So for that you have to plan nicely, so that for the planning you have to think stepwise, okay. So like this is the stepwise thinking, means step by step. We do many things in daily life where we go step by step. Let's write down the step involved preparing a play for the annual function of your school. Suppose that is the annual function, that is one play that you have to prepare for the is your annual function. So what you have to do? First step, you will think that which play you want to play. Then collecting the names of the students who are interesting, who will be the good ones. You have to find out. Then after assigning the roles to the students according to their character play, you will assign them. Getting costumes ready for the students, you want the costumes also. Practice the play under the supervision of teachers, you will have some guidance from the teachers also. Checking the whether costume fit students a few days before in the play, you will have the costume checkup, means you will have that costume is properly, it is fitting or not. If any changes required, then tell them to the tailors to stitch. Then again, carrying out the full costume rehearsal before the final day. On the final day, performing the play in front of the teachers, student, parents, and other invited guests. So likewise, means whenever you are playing the one play, you have organized for your annual function. So for that you have to think that which play you want to play, students, costumes, teachers, to whom which roles you are giving to the different students. So that all you have to plan, so that it is done in the stepwise. So this is all about the stepwise thinking help us to complete a task or solve problem easily. So what it does, stepwise thinking help us to complete the our task or solve the problem easily. This is because we divide the entire work into step, okay. What we are doing, the our all the works, our all the problems we are dividing into the steps. Working becomes easy, and we can solve one step at a time, means step by step. If we will do the things, we will think, we will do our works step by step. It will be easy to do this, and it will be perfectly, it will be completed. So this is about the stepwise thinking. Next we have the reasoning and problem solving. So if there is a reasoning and problem solving, means in a daily life we come across many situations where you have to take the decisions, means many times you have to take the decisions also, means you have to go or not go, you have to come or not, you have. So like with many decisions you have to take many. While taking a decision, think. The act of thinking to arrive at a decision is called reasoning. So what is reasoning? The act of thinking. It is the act of thinking to arrive at a decision. Whenever you are thinking and you just arrive, means you just finalize the your decision. You just arrive the decision, means you have finalized that I have to go or not go. Means you have decided no, I have to go. means you finalize this one, I will go. So this is the your reasoning. So this is called the reasoning. The act of thinking to arrive at a decision is called reasoning. It is based on the situation and other factor as well. Okay, so you are thinking about the many things, your situations, so many reasons, factors. So it is based on the situation and other factors as well. For example, think of situation you have to invite it for the birthday party for your best friend, but your younger brother is not well. So there is no one at home. So what you will do? You have to think that at the time you will think. So you, whether you have to go or not, because you are invited for the birthday party, but your younger brother is also ill. So at the time what you will do? So that you have to think out. So this decision is called the reasoning. So here you will think that as well as reason. As well as reason means, reasoning means you will think. You will think as well as reason. What is more important, to go party or take care of brother? Means two things you have to take. What is that? First of all the reason, and you have to think on the reason. It is, I have to go, or I have to take care of my brother. So as you grow older, you will come across many mathematical questions which are based on the reasoning. These questions help in enhancing our thinking and reasoning ability. So in the mathematics fields you will get the many questions based on this reasoning. Problem solving, as its name suggests, means finding solution to a large problem. So what is the meaning problem solving? Its name suggests finding solution to a problem. Okay, for example, your school van driver has informed that he will not be coming to pick up you the next day. Your parents are not in the town and your grandparents cannot drop you to the school. What do in such situation? Means like your driver, already that bus driver informed that he will not come, your parents is also not there, and your grand parents is not able to pick there. So then what you will do? Your grandparents also not able to drop you to the school. So what you will think in this situation? You call your friends who lives nearby and who goes to the school in his own vehicles. So what you can think? You can call to the nearby your friends, or those who live just nearby you, who have their own vehicles, those who are going by the own vehicle, you can request him to pick up on his way to the school. So these things you can do. Okay, now next we have the case study. Case study is like that. So like suppose that you have to make this particular picture. Okay, here is that picture. So for this picture, means by the help of paper folding and cutting, so you have to do this you are aware of different shapes. So like a dog using the different shapes, so different shapes are there. Step by step you have to do it. So step by step, first of all you will color it, fold it. Okay, how, which type of shape you will cut it. So all these steps you will follow. Okay, you can practice it at your home also. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so this is about basically the meaning of reasoning and stepwise thinking is that how to manage your problem, how to study your problem, and how you are taking the decision about your situations. Okay, so this is all about your stepwise thinking and reasoning. Okay, so this is very important. You just write in your copy and learn it. Stepwise thinking, what is stepwise thinking? So you can say that stepwise thinking help us to complete a task or solve problem easily. Okay, what is reasoning? Reasoning is based on the situation and other factor as well. Problem solving is name suggests means finding the solution to the problem. So this is all about your stepwise thinking. Okay.